OKX app tutorial, beginner's guide on how to use the OKX app. So if you want to basically use the OKX app, it's actually quite very simple to do. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the OKX application, and this is the kind of interface that you will see. Then from here what you actually have to do is, now assuming you've already verified your account and so on, you will see two interfaces. One is exchange and one is wallet, right? That most of the transactions will basically happen in the exchange tab. If you want to buy Bitcoin or anything, you can tap on this little option here. You can select a certain crypto that you want to buy, then you can simply tap the buy option here. If you want to sell it, you can go to sell, enter the amount and tap on the sell option after you see maybe a certain amount of profit or anything as such. Then once you've done that, if you want to come to the home page, you will see other announcement and so on. You can come to grow tab, you can go to the assets option. If you want to deposit crypto to your wallet, you can tap on deposit. If you want to withdraw it, you can tap the dots icon here and go to withdraw option. To buy, sell, all of those options you'll find here. If you want to do P2P trading, you can also simply go to P2P trading over here, and then from here you'll be able to see any sort of details that the app might actually give you in this case over here as well. But to give you a basic idea, this is how you can use OKX app as a beginner. If you have got any questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.